Good morning, students. In the previous part of the lesson, sound, you studied what is sound, how the sound is produced. Okay? You are clear that sound is produced if the vibration of an object is there. And for the vibration of an object, source is there. Object is the source. When that object vibrates in the place up and down, then we say that the sound is produced. Okay, but how can we hear? The sound is produced in one place, but one should hear that sound so that we will come to know that sound is produced. So that we are going to see now. Before that, a small quote. Believe in your inner creator. Children, whatever our body is saying, whatever our inner palm is saying, listen to that very carefully and behave accordingly. Okay? So, it is said that believe in your inner creator. Okay? So, belief on ourselves is very necessary, and then we can be a successful person. It helps to increase our confidence. Okay? So, if you have faith on us, then we can be confident and do anything in a successful way. Okay, children? Now we are going to see how sound is heard. You had seen that sound is produced, but how that sound is passing from one place to another. How can we hear that sound? See here the picture. Vibration in the water and the production of sound. Children, the pot is taken which is filled with water. Okay, and see that one boy is striking to its rim. Okay, and see the waves in the water. So the waves you are finding in the water, they are nothing but that is a vibration in the water. Because of their vibration, sound is produced. There is air around the source of light, source of sound. Children, you may be thinking that how can the sound be heard after after beating on its rim. Okay, but around that air is present. As the source of sound begins to vibrate, the layer of air nearest to the source vibrates. What is said? As the source of sound. What is the source of sound here? The brim of the pot is the source. When it vibrates, the air nearby also vibrate. A wave of vibration of that sound spreads in all direction from the source of sound. So what happens? When that waves are produced in the air also and on the rim of the pot also, at that time they spreads in all the direction. Okay? These waves spread in all the direction. Such waves are called as the sound waves. What they are called as? Sound waves. And when these sound waves reach to our ears, we are able to hear that particular sound. They reach to our ears. Okay, children? So there is a delicate diaphragm or eardrum in the cavity of our ears. It starts vibrating. The sensation produced by these vibrations are passed to our brains through the nerves in the ear, and we hear the sound. Children, see the complicated process. What is said again I am repeating. When we take one pot filled with water, okay, and beat lightly or strike lightly on the rim, on the corner of this pot. Okay, when by means of spoon, it is a metallic one, you are striking over it, it produces the vibrations. Vibrates that we can't see, but they vibrate. Okay, so when it is vibrating, the air nearby also vibrate. Air is there, it vibrates, and because of its vibration, it spreads in all the direction. As it is spreading in all the direction, they are going to our ears also. They are going near our ears, that are called as the sound waves. Okay, when they are going near our ears, at that time our ear has the eardrum. It is also called as the diaphragm. So that is the delicate part which starts vibrating. The diaphragm also vibrates. As it vibrates, what happens? The sound is passed on to our brain. The sensation of that, it is passed on to the brain by nerves, and then again that nerves bring certain message and we are able to hear the sound. Okay, children? So this is a long process going from pot to the air, then from ear to our ear, from ear to our brain, and from brain again to our ear. That is the process of hearing the sound. In this way, we can hear the sound. Okay, children, are you clear about it? Now we will proceed for the propagation of sound. How the sound propagates. What is propagates? Propagates means spreading. Same thing we are going to repeat here again. How sound is heard means how sound is propagated. How sound is passing from one place to another. Just now we had seen that air is there because of which the sound is passed. Okay? Because sound waves are mixing with the air. As air vibrates, it is passing. So, propagation of sound, proper word for the passing of sound is the propagation of sound. Propagation. Sound is said to be propagated when sound wave spreads in all direction from the source of sound. Okay? We say that sound spreads or gets propagated when sound waves spread in all the direction from the source of sound. Children, what you had seen in the previous experiment, same thing you are observing here. So, how it is spreading? Sound waves are going with the air. It is said that medium is necessary for the propagation of sound. Okay. So, what is the medium? The substance around the source of sound through which the sound wave spreads is called the medium of propagation. In the previous examples, in this example of this pot, you came to know that when the pot is struck, at that time air nearby also vibrated to pass the sound. So therein we say that air is a medium for the propagation of a sound. Okay, children, in this way sound pass from one place to another, and that is said to be medium for the propagation of sound.